everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Temple Run 2 on your Android phone. So let's jump in right into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by launching open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Temple Run 2. Once you make a search for the application, go ahead and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app right on your Android phone, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. So make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet if you want to download the application faster. Once the download is completed, tap on the play button to open the game right on your Android phone. Now that's how you can easily download and start playing the Temple Run 2 application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.